So the first thing you want to do as a lender, as a practitioner professional, is look at your database, look at all of your past customers, clients, and leads, and then ask yourself, am I getting insights, information to understand when something's going on with any one of those customers that could be a signal that they're going to need help? I need to know that information. I need that surfaced to me. So I need to ask that question about my database. Secondly, how am I actually engaging with my market? Am I offering educational content? Or am I just pitching products and services? The key is you want to educate the market on facts using data. You want to provide that educational content in an automated way, ideally, but you have to be doing that to engage and build trust with those customers. And then I'm thinking about all of the different touch points that I have with my customers, and I'm looking for gaps. I'm looking to plug the holes where maybe we forget to follow up with a lead, and I'm finding ways to automate where I'm losing those opportunities.